Hello guys, so I just want to share with you that we're going to work in our boat. We're going to change the transducer into a new one, and we're also going to do some job in our boat after that. So currently we are here in Carnarvon and we lift our boat by help of Bruce. To some of you don't know about this boat, it is a 55-foot catamaran aluminum, so it's pretty heavy boat. So yeah, they done really good job, and we're happy.
Perfectly. You've done bloody well there. Picked that perfectly.
Look at. By the time that we are all organized, so we're starting to do our job, putting the new transducer, and by the next afternoon we back to our marina and do for another job. So we're starting to put a new hatch cover for our window just to protect from the sun. And yeah, this is the velcro, am I right?
Yep.
Then installing a hatch cover for our boat just to protect this window. And we also, yeah, replacing the old ones. We also took the Genoa down to do some patches. So we contact the Parkwood upholstery if they can work with our sail, and they said yes they can, and we bring it to them. So this is our work for today. Is we're going to take off these steps and then clean it, and also the other steps in there, and then we're going to paint it with the gray color.
You got it. Really? Show us what you got. Right, there you go. Just sit one end up there. Yeah, well, that'll do. Yeah, I can't take it off because you've got that on top of it. Jump up there. That's it. Right?
Yeah, very good. So, and this one, let's go with the rubbish.
Just going to push this out.
Oh my goodness. I'm going to put a new rope of this.
it.
So
So I bring this through. Ooh.
just a little. You're gonna do it again. Yeah, exactly. You're gonna do it again. So that's the loop that we make earlier,
And then bring this bit back through here.
and then
Okay. Yep.
until it's
Up through here. And then down through here.
and this one
If
goes.
you'd like to start pulling that back.
This one is going to the. It's like it's tight.
It is tight. Pull it.
It's good. Goes to. Good morning. I just woke up, and then yeah, it's a bit cold, but I'm go for a swim because my partner accidentally dropped yesterday in the afternoon.
It's okay. I'm the one dropped it. She's the one going for a swim.
It's cold.
Come on, show us what you can do. Go, go, go.
Not that bad.
Right. Now, it's straight down there.
Yeah.
Be easy to see. Nice big white. Nice big white lid. It should be easy to see. Maybe. You're pretty well on top of it. Come on, come on. You got this, darling.
Nothing.
Right, have one more look. Just dive down here and swim that way a little bit, just along this edge. Try one more. Gee, it wasn't so bad up. Have a bit of a swim around and look. Alright, do one more dive and come back this way a bit then. Can you see the bottom?
Yeah, I can. I am in the bottom.
Yeah, alright, go again. Should be pretty easy to see. Up. Right, so maybe here. There's my little mermaid. Right, do one more out the back there a bit more.
That's where I swam earlier.
I couldn't imagine anything picked it up and took it away. Somebody bloody octopus. That's what we're after. Well done. So where was it?
It's there.
Yeah, it was back out the back a bit further. Good. Good stuff. Now we'll go and have a nice warm shower. So proud of you, darling.
Okay.
That's what we're after.
Yeah,
Okay.
this one, the one that he dropped.
Yay! Yoo-hoo! Good girl.